Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to explain how the Chande Momentum Oscillator works and how you can use it to trade. And of course, it is not an indicator that you should use alone, and you should use other stuff with it. So let's see what it is first. Okay, this is the Chande Momentum Oscillator. It's located below the chart. It's typically located below the chart, and it really works very similar to RSI, as it shows the market momentum. When the Chande is positive, the market momentum is bullish, and when it's negative, the market momentum is bearish. And there are areas, for example, higher than 80 and lower than -80, that we call them overbought and oversold. Okay, some prefer even -70 and +70, and whatever you like. So yeah, that's it. And let's see what it shows. It really shows similar things to the RSI, okay, but some people prefer this one as their momentum oscillator, because they believe that it's really more precise than the RSI or other things. Okay, so similar to RSI, you can enter on when the market is overbought or oversold, or you can enter on momentum shifts. Okay, and you can also enter on some divergences, for example a bullish or a bearish divergence. It's really similar to RSI, and it shows things like this. Okay, so for example, here's divergence. As you can see, this high is lower than the next, but here this high is above. All right, so we could have entered the trade right here and you can choose to enter right away when high forms, but I prefer to wait until the momentum shifts bearish. It's on this candle. So for example, let's suppose that we entered on this candle and put our stop loss above those highs, and put our TP, for example, below this low. Let's see how the CMO indicator works. Okay, and yeah, we're now witnessing that the price is likely building a bottom. So, and this is why I told you that you can't only use this indicator. For example, if you wanted to use this indicator alone, right here it showed an exit signal, but then the price dropped further. All right, and now it's showing it again. But if the market breaks above these highs, it might be really a bullish shift. So let's wait. I prefer to wait and see. And we're going lower and consolidating, and yeah, this is not a good sign. Okay, so yeah, it was a stop hunt, I guess, above these highs, but we will remain in the trade, and boom, here's a take profit. I personally don't like this type of trading. I prefer to set the CMO indicators period a little bit higher. For example, let's go for 20 or maybe 50. Okay, this one is better. So now we have a more clear momentum indication. And for example, all this time the momentum was bearish until this little candle, and then again bearish. Okay, so you can also use this indicator, the CMO indicator, with other tools. For example, let's apply a moving average. Okay, and I will set the period to 20 again. Let's see if it works, and maybe 50, just like the CMO. Alright, it's a little bit better. Okay, so we can enter a trade if the price comes back to the moving average and gets rejected to the downside, just when the CMO indicator is also either showing negative values or shifting into the negative region. Okay, so let's wait and see what happens. Alright, the price is testing the indicator. Let's see if it can break out or gets rejected. Alright, the price breaks it to the upside, and the CMO is also showing a bullish signal. So let's wait for a pullback for entry. Alright, I really like that the recent high has also been taken out. The trend is really getting more and more bullish. Okay, still no retest, and alright, here it is. Okay, this is a good one. It's an engulfing candle on a moving average, and of course the CMO is showing positive values, so we can maybe enter a long and put our stop loss below these lows. I really prefer to put large stop losses when I'm trading with indicators, because you need to give it some breathing room. Alright, and let's see what happens. The CMO is still showing positive values, so the momentum is bullish again, and boom. Alright, so let's see if the price is really demonstrating bearishness right here and gets far away from the moving average. We can exit, or even we can wait for it to either take our stop loss or maybe recover to take profit. Either way, let's wait and see what happens. Alright, again the recovery, and as you can see the CMO is really oscillating around the zero threshold, so yeah, we should wait. And okay, the momentum is shifting bullish, but the price is somehow lagging, I guess. Let's see. Alright, this is where the bullish momentum comes in, and we're going to have a correction. Let's see if the moving average is able to hold the price once again. Yes, it has been successful. Alright, a breakout below, and yes, this is where I will exit this trade in some profit. It's a little profit, I guess. Yeah, it's 0.3%. It's alright, and because I got both the exit signal on the CMO and the moving average, because the price is now getting rejected impulsively from the MA. Okay, so that's it. And yeah, let's see if we can get another trade. Okay, and the price is now testing the moving average from downside, and it has been showing some bearishness lately, but the momentum is still really in partial equilibrium, because it's not really very bullish or bearish. So let's wait and see. Okay, a breakout above and retest and go. Okay, so you can enter right here again if you prefer to enter on candle closes. You could have entered right here also, but whatever you prefer, and maybe put your stop loss below here, and again I take profit of 2RR. I think this one is going to be a long trade. or we're gonna get stopped out really soon. All right, here's another trade and another win. Okay, so as you can see, you can use a moving average and the CMO indicator, or in fact any other oscillator that you are familiar with and convenient with. I just wanted to show you how the CMO works and how we can use it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We do these type of review videos on either trading platforms or strategies and indicators. So this video was about the Chande Momentum Oscillator and how you can use it like RSI or any other oscillator to detect how the market momentum is, whether it's bullish or bearish, and how you can trade with it using other tools, for example support and resistance lines, and of course moving averages. Thank you and see you soon.